Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week I have a wonderful, easy, delicious pumpkin spice syrup that you can make at home that's totally vegan, and you can put it into your coffees and to your teas. This is going to be a part 1 of a part 3 series of pumpkin spice inspired and flavored recipes. I'm really looking forward to next week's recipe, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the channel so you don't miss a thing. These recipes you can enjoy throughout the entire fall season right before the holidays start. So let's get to the recipe. Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Let's get right into the recipe. In a medium to small saucepan, we're going to add a half cup of pumpkin puree, either homemade or store-bought, with some sweetener, spices, and salt. These will all go in the description because it moves a little fast. You want to combine and toast up the pumpkin and then add 1 cup of water. I recently found this date syrup. I love it. Add a half cup's worth of date syrup, 1 ingredient, just dates. Add 2 tablespoons of vegan creamer or a little bit of soy milk as a substitution, and you want it to get really nice and boiling like this where the foam is at the top, and then quickly whisk it to release some of the steam, and we will then simmer for about 20 minutes where it starts to really get thick. I then like to add a teaspoon of vanilla paste. The real stuff, vanilla extract, will do just fine. Taste for sweetness and saltiness. Let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes on the hob, and then move it to a glass jar. It will be really good in the fridge for about 2 weeks. You can freeze it if you'd like, but I end up using this pretty quickly. You can use it in coffees and teas. It's wonderful. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel for full recipe videos every Friday and daily shorts. See you next time.